I was thinking, how about we help each other out by teaching some common English phrases today? That sounds like a fun idea. Let's get started. Alright, one of the most useful phrases is "How are you?" It's a way to ask someone about their well-being. You can respond with "I'm fine, thanks," or "I'm doing well, and you?" That's a classic one. Here's another common phrase, "Nice to meet you." You use it when you meet someone for the first time. Absolutely. And you can reply with "Nice to meet you too," or "It's a pleasure to meet you." Now, how about "Excuse me"? It's used to politely get someone's attention or to apologize. Right. And "sorry" is another way to apologize for something you've done wrong. You can also say "I'm sorry" if you want to express sympathy or regret. That's correct. And if someone apologizes to you, you can respond with "That's okay" or "No problem." These phrases help maintain a friendly atmosphere. Good point. Here's a handy phrase for asking directions. "Could you please tell me how to get to place?" It's useful when we're lost and need help finding our way. That's a great one. And speaking of directions, you can use "turn left" and "turn right" when giving or following directions. True. Another common phrase is "thank you," or its more informal version, "thanks." It's essential to express gratitude when someone does something nice for you. Yes, showing appreciation is always important. Now, how about "You're welcome"? It's what you say in response to "thank you." Right. And when you want to get someone's attention, you can say "excuse me" or "pardon me." Exactly. "Excuse me" is also used when you want to pass through a crowded area. Now, let's move on to some conversational phrases. You can start a conversation by saying, "How's your day going?" or "What have you been up to?" Yes, and you can respond with "It's been good" or "I've been busy with work/school lately." Absolutely. Lastly, let's cover some goodbyes. You can say "goodbye," "see you later," or "take care" when parting with someone. And you can reply with "goodbye" or "see you later." Alright, I think we covered a lot of useful phrases. We sure did. Practicing these phrases will help us communicate better with others. Thanks for the learning session. You're welcome. It was fun. Let's keep practicing and improving our English together.